Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is Orange Vocoder 4 from Zynaptiq. Here I have a track with a rather ordinary sounding vocal, but as soon as I bring in Orange Vocoder on the orange track in my DAW, things start to sound a lot more interesting with some classic vocoding sounds. Now, although Orange Vocoder 4 has some very deep functionality, you can get going straight away because you can drop it straight across tracks or buses without having to route any audio or MIDI, so it's very quick like that. And if I go into my vocoder section, all I have to do is just hover over different sounds to audition the different vocoder algorithms.
Let's take the train San Francisco to chase the sun and to see the show. Let's take the train San Francisco to chase the sun.
But the things that make Orange Vocoder 4 unique are probably the Synth, Dice and Freezer buttons. The Synth button comes up with different synth settings using AI and scripting, so every time I hit this I'll get a different synth sound.
Let's take the train San Francisco. Let's take the train San Francisco.
And Dice does a very similar thing, but that changes the synth and the vocoder settings at the same time, and any unlocked freezer patches as well.
Let's take the train San Francisco to chase the sun and to see the show. Let's go to chase the sun.
But if you want some really out there sounds, you can also use the freezer. Now what this does is it records a slight loop of the input or the modifier and then applies that to the carrier signal.
Let's take the train.
And of course, if you want to, you can do all of the classic vocoding and Talkbox style effects with Orange Vocoder 4 as well.
Mr. Blue Sky, California knows how to party.
But for now, I'm going to use Orange Vocoder 4 for some classic vocoding sounds of my own.
Let's take the train San Francisco to chase the sun.
So that is Orange Vocoder 4 from Zynaptiq. Got some great sounds there as well, so you can use it straight out the box to get instant sounds, or you can go in really deep if you need to. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.